Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be looking at a very important piece of proverb that says, "Obumpeji ayonwayi." The yam planter who cultivates a very small piece of yam has deceived no one but himself. It is what you give to the land that the land will give back to you on the day of harvest. The meaning of this proverb is simple. You simply reap what you sow. So, don't cultivate a very small piece of yam. Obumpeji ayonwayi. Obumpeji ayonwayi. The yam planter who cultivates a very small piece of yam deceives no one but himself. Thank you. Take this wisdom home and work with it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. See you in our next video. Thank you.